Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about folding electric bike, Fiido. So you fold it that way, from here and from here, easy. You plug it in to charge it. It takes about 4 hours to charge, 5 hours, and then you've got here 17 kilo, about 18 kilos weight, and you put the ignition on. That's how the power. Got full battery charged. Put your phone here, USB to charge your phone from here, little horn, and that's for the light on and off. Right, this bike you can have it off that way, or you're gonna go and you can fold the pedal that way. So now if you want to use it as a motorbike, you turn that all the way to the right. You've got 3 stages, nothing here, in the middle and to the right. So that way you twist and it moves. In the middle you twist. If you put it in the middle, you twist and it'll start to go without pedaling, like motorbike. Just like this. It's not that fast, but good enough. I'm guessing about 15 miles per hour or 20 kilometers per hour. So nice. If you want to put it all the way to the right here, and then it won't respond till you pedal. So when you pedal, it helps you. It's called pedal assisting. So that's everything about it. So now leave it in the middle, so only when I pedal, that's when it helps me to go. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Well recommended. It's got a little suspension on the back here. Nice. And the price is about £400. You can buy it second hand for £300. Good luck. Thank you.